Howdy doody, where's my focus? There it is. Hey, how's it going? So I left Lake Mead and done a bunch of other stuff in between, but I left Lake Mead again, and now I am in Wickenburg, Arizona. I'm down in some weird little wash. I don't know. It looks pretty dope. And naturally, obviously, I'm going to fly my drone, so let's do it. But first, I need to clean the bus. A clean bus is a clean mind, so... yeah, this place is friggin' filthy right now. I got a little crazy yesterday. I got some In-N-Out and some Taco Bell, whatever. Bought a new laptop, and it's a disaster as usual. Like the ends of my days always look like this, and this is why every morning I must clean this whole place so that way I can get through my day. So after this, then I'll find my truck. Strapped and ready to go. We are out of here. Let's go. Woo, a little rainy out today. Kind of weird being in the desert and it's all rainy, but I kind of like it. Except for my solar is not going to charge very well today. But we're headed to Tucson, and Tucson should be a little sunnier, I hope. Alrighty, we are in downtown Wickenburg. My friend is down here. We're gonna meet her up at the Spur, get some food. Gonna do a little work on my laptop. This place is pretty dope. Look at this. Cool. It's like the 1800s all over again. Nope. The breakfast has been consumed. That was a lovely little waffle. Alright, so we're leaving Wickenburg and we're gonna go to Tucson, and there's a pretty cool camp spot there that I know about. So I'm just gonna keep it a secret till we get there. Okay, see ya. Alright, we've arrived at the Sprouts. I'm gonna go get some groceries, and there's even a guitar center over here. I do have a little acoustic guitar, and I need to get a hanger for it, so I think I might go get the hanger first, and then I'll go grocery shopping, and then we'll go find camp. Alright, we're all done at Sprouts. Got a few things and make some lunch while I'm here in the parking lot. I decided to forget Guitar Center. I'm not gonna get the hook for my guitar. That thing just lays in my bed anyway, it's no big deal. But yeah, over here though, what we got going on? What's up? Let me turn down this ISO real quick. We got some avocado, we got some smoked salmon, red onion, bell pepper, what is that, garlic hummus. Ooh, more of that. And then I'm gonna sweeten it up with a little balsamic vinegar, some oil, some olive oil to be exact, and then and later I might be doing a chicken teriyaki taco seasoning rice thing. I don't know. Let's find out. Okay, so I'm still figuring out like what else I gotta do today. There's always so much going on. I do need to go get some hose clamps because we did spring a leak on the water heater and I lost a bunch of water. And I kind of jerry-rigged it a little bit, but I'll show you later. I gotta stop at Ace Hardware next and pick up some of that stuff. But in the meanwhile, I also started doing these bungee cord things where now this stuff will hold all my T's and stuff, and when I'm driving, it doesn't move. It's pretty cool. I gotta put a few more things there, but no big deal. So my friend just informed me that the campsites that we're looking at they're all full. So naturally, that's makes me go right to iOverlander. I'll show you here in a minute. Whoa, makes it look those weird colors that my ND filter makes. That's pretty cool. Either way, so yeah, that's Wickenburg. Let's go to where we are. We're here in West Tucson at the moment. And we were camping over here, but that seems to be very packed right now, so that kind of sucks. I don't know where else we could possibly go. Another forest spot. No no cell service. That's not good because I gotta do work. Yeah, this is gonna be tough. The only other spot I know of is over here, but she's already all the way over there, so dang it. Well, while I'm up here, so sometimes this thing leaks a little bit when it rains, and it's gonna rain here in Tucson the next few days, so I went ahead and got myself some Flex Seal, so might as well, while I'm here, start sealing things. Alrighty. So yeah, been getting leaking in here, and it goes all over my floor, and I wake up and it's like a pool. It's not good. So here we go. Whew. I'll let that dry. This thing kind of burst on me a few days ago, where in Monument Valley it was really cold.
I like your ride.
So yeah, I kind of rigged up a these little half-inch plastic pieces and some high-pressure hose now. I just have to clamp it down so they don't stop bursting off when I use it. Alrighty, that should do it. I'm gonna go give it a test. Alright, let's see. That's leaking a little bit. It's leaking a little bit, but that's okay. Where's my screwdriver? Look at that. Alright, I think we got it. I think we did it. Alrighty folks, I think that concludes today. I've had quite the day of driving. Susie did all my maintenance stuff and got some groceries, so I'm gonna hang out tonight. I need to edit this vlog tonight, and tomorrow we'll resume. I don't know what. Oh, tomorrow we're doing tiny home tours. We're gonna be going up to, I think it's called Redding Pass or something. Super cool spot. Been there before last year when I was in my Honda Element. So yeah, catch you guys in the morning.